So in this video, we're going to talk about the new Hero Chronicles glitch in FC Mobile, where you're not able to click reveal and you're not able to actually play the Hero Chronicles section. As you can see here, if we need to play this daily training challenge, if we want to play the daily training challenge, we will have to reveal this thing first. Whichever hero we get, we're gonna play the daily challenge for that, I guess. But it's not working, right? The reveal button is not working for some reason, and there is a glitch in FC Mobile. By the way, please make sure to like and subscribe. That will help me out a lot. But there is a glitch in FC Mobile where, for some reason, today we are not able to reveal the hero, and we are not able to play this section right there. Not really sure why. We were able to play it yesterday and the day before. Obviously, I'm able to get I was able to get 40 hero points or hero tokens, as you can see right there. So I'm not really sure why this is happening right now. I'm not really sure why we cannot reveal that thing, but there is just a glitch, okay? That is just a glitch, and you don't need to worry too much. We are still gonna be able to do it later on. EA are probably fixing it right now, or if they're not gonna be able to fix it today, and if they have to fix it tomorrow, we're gonna get free hero tokens. I'm 100% sure about that as well. Whatever we miss out of this Hero Chronicles section, we're gonna get that amount of hero tokens either way. So you need to check before the refresh time as well, just throughout the day, and if it doesn't get fixed, then we are 100% gonna get a gift package for this Hero Chronicles tokens and everything like that. As I said, it's just a glitch. If you are not able to play this Hero Academy section, if you are not able to reveal this thing, it's just a glitch. It's not meant to be like that. Some people think that just because it's the weekend, it doesn't work at the weekend, but it's not true. Okay, it's not true. We should be able to play this Hero Chronicles section every single day. And as I said, if they are not able to fix it today, we're most likely gonna get 20 hero tokens as a gift package, and you're still gonna be able to get one of those hero cards in the first 5 days from when Hero Chronicles was launched, obviously. So you should not worry that much, but if you want to check this throughout the day, you need to check it to see if you are going to be able to play it later on. But yeah, it is just a glitch. There is no fix right now. You're not going to be able to fix. We'll just have to wait for EA, and we'll just have to see what's going on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open some packs as well. We got Hero Chronicles. I have 40 tokens, as I said already. If that glitch gets fixed today, I'm gonna get 20 more and 2 more days after that to claim my first Hero Chronicle player, and it's probably the same for most of you there as well. But I can open some packs. First of all, what I want to do is I want to go into Team DR section, and I want to claim these nominee series rewards, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to. Let me go onto that right hand side. I'm gonna open 3000 gem pack as well. Okay, I know I don't have 3000 gems right now, but I'm gonna be able to get that very easily. We're gonna open this 99 to 104 overall Team DR player pack first to see what we can get. Maybe we can get Messi. If we get Messi, that's a huge dub, right? It's a walkout, so it's not a 99 at least. It's French. It's gonna be a CDM. It's gonna be from Al Ittihad. That's gonna be Kante, N'Golo Kante. Only 100 overall, so not the best pull right there, but at least it's not a 99, right? At least it was not a 99. Let me just claim this reward as well, 200,000 coins. At the end, we're gonna be able to claim guaranteed 102 to 105 overall player pack. So that's gonna be a decent pack, I guess, where we can get some decent 105 overall cards, which will definitely take. Let me just claim 250,000 coins from there as well, from Team DR pack. There we go. We can claim some base bronze players, and then we've got the last one as well, Team DR pack. Here we go. And I don't have enough for this one, but I'm pretty sure. How many more do I need? I need exactly 100 more. So I'm gonna be able to get enough by exchanging one token into another. No, not that one. This one, right? Yep. This is what I need. I'm gonna exchange 200 of this into 100 Team DR nominee C token Bs, and that should be it done right there. We got 100 nominee C token B, and 160 is exactly enough to open this 102 to 105 overall Team DR player pack right there. Let's go ahead and open it, and let's see what we can get. Right, let's see what we can get. Team DR pack 102 to 105. We can get any 105s, please. Be something good. It's gonna be Dutch left midfielder from West Ham. Who is that? I'm not even sure. Oh, Somerville. Wow, we've got Somerville. 103 overall. I mean, that's 30 shards. It's not a 102 at least. but we've got Crescencio Summerwell right there. So he's a Lunar New Year card, not a Team of the Year card, but yeah, we can still use him as as shards, I guess. By the way, right now we have 2 active redeem codes. If you still don't know those redeem codes, make sure you check out the video before this one, and you're gonna find out both of those redeem codes. And if you want to know, if you want to get all the future redeem codes as well, make sure you subscribe, because whenever we get those redeem codes, I'm obviously making videos straight away. Let me now claim some of the gems, because I can open a gem pack in the store as well. As I said, I need 500 gems exactly, and I'm pretty sure I can claim that 500 gems exactly in this Ultimate Team of the Year section. As you can see, here we go, we completed one of these right there, and we can claim 500 gems. So I got pretty much exactly 3,000 gems, right? 3,009. That 9 really makes me mad, I can't lie. That makes me mad. Why did they give us 999 gems instead of 1,000 for that Haaland pack? I'm not even sure, you know. I'm not even sure. I don't know. I just don't like that number. I want a still 3,000 number, but it's okay. It's okay. Let me just open this 101 to 107 overall player pack, where we can pack Ultimate Team of the Year cards as well. Obviously, the probabilities are not really looking that good. Less than 1% chance to get a 107, 1.50% chance to get a 106. 3.15% chance to get a 105, and then higher and higher as it goes. Lower overall, obviously. Right, 3,000 gem pack. Give me, I'll even take Carlos Alberto, man. I'll even take Carlos Alberto. Give me something good then. It's gonna be, let's see, these are silver cards and bonus untradeable player pack. Let's see the flag first. It's gonna be English. It's gonna be a left winger from City. Is that Grealish? Don't be Grealish. It's Foden, 103 overall. I mean, we've got 103 again, so that means that's 30 shards once again. But am I happy? I'm not really too happy. I'm thinking of getting one more card from the from the Team of the Year section. Obviously, we can get one of the Ultimate Team of the Year players in this section, one of the 105 overalls. But I don't really want a 105. I think from here I'm gonna just take 200 shards. And I'm gonna try to get a lot more shards after that, and get one of the players for 1,000 tokens. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do at least. Maybe Ronaldo. If Ronaldo comes out, I mean, he's gonna be a 107 and probably like 1,500 shards. So I'm not gonna have enough for him. But maybe if he somehow is less than 1,500, if he's like 1,000, I might be able to get Ronaldo. But if not, then I'm gonna get someone like, I don't even know, Van Dijk. Van Dijk is gonna be a great one. Even Saliba for 800 is a very, very good one, most likely, but not 100% sure right now. Can I open an exchange pack as well? Let me try it. Let me try to open the exchange pack. I don't have any players that are 98 or 99, so I don't really want to open them then, right? I don't really want to do it. I don't want to put 100 overall cards in there. Team of the Year at least. Maybe, no, I'm not gonna do it. I don't think it's worth it right now.